Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to buy Baby Dogecoin in Trust Wallet. In order to buy Baby Dogecoin in Trust Wallet, you have to follow these steps. First of all, go and log in into your Trust Wallet account. Right on this page, type in Baby Doge on the search box. When you actually locate the following coin, now type in the exact amount that you want to buy and click on Buy with Credit Card. As you've actually done with this procedure, next it's going to take you to the payment source where you have to enter the payment details, all of that, and then go ahead and review all of the terms and condition. And when you've actually done with this procedure, tap on the next button, and within no time you'll have successfully bought Baby Dogecoin in Trust Wallet. In some cases you might also have to swap, so you could use a PancakeSwap in order to convert it to Smart Chain or Smart Coin. So that's how you could buy Baby Dogecoin in Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.